Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and that you had a wonderful Good Friday for those of you that do celebrate it. So today I have this nail art that I did for a nail art challenge that I sometimes participate in. I really wanted to jump back into the groove of the challenges just because it gives me something to do and it helps me think of nail art to come up with. So for this challenge, this one is called the 52-week challenge. As you can see, it has multiple challenges for the year, and I initially did want to start this at the beginning of the year, but things just didn't work out for me that way. So I figured, you know what, I'll jump back into it starting now and, try to do as many of them as possible before the year ends. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, keep on watching. So for the base of this nail art, I went in and started with Seche Stones and Roses, which is a lovely salmon polish. I think this is so pretty and it's just a really nice color any time of the year. This is from like a collection, honestly I don't even remember, but it is quite an older polish, but I've had it for some years now, and it is something that I do gravitate towards and that I do grab quite often. And you can get full coverage with this beauty in just 3 thin coats. Essie polishes are one of those polish brands that you either love or hate, and sometimes I really love the polishes, sometimes I really just can't stand the formula on the polishes. But for whatever reason, although this one is a bit tricky to work with, by the 3rd coat it really does self-level really nicely. Always, to help protect around my cuticles, I'll be going ahead and using Girly Cosmetics Latex Barrier, my favorite cuticle protection, to help make up the cleanup process so much easier once I'm done any type of nail art. The stamping plate that I'll be using for this nail art look is actually You Are Beautiful, or You're Beautiful, I don't know, number 15. And I've actually had this for quite some time. I've used it in a few different nail art looks I've done, and as you can see, it has quite a range of variety of stamping images, from medium ones, large ones, small ones. But I am gonna go in and I am using the floral looking scroll image right underneath that mesh looking one. So you're gonna see me point to it in just a few moments, but for me that's the image that kind of reminded me of Scrollwork, but I didn't want like a simple Scrollwork. I wanted it to have something interesting to it as well. For my stamping, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite clear jelly stamper, Big Bling, along with this gorgeous bright lime polish or pastel lime polish from Bad Bitch Polish called Pick Up Lime. There's variations when applying a stamping image to your nail. You can do the rolling motion, you can do a pressing motion. Sometimes I roll it, but sometimes I'll just go ahead and press down like this and kind of rotate the stamper on my nail to make sure that the image is fully on my nail, and then I'll slowly lift it off. And now that I've gone ahead and removed my latex barrier, cleaned up all my cuticles, I'll be applying my last and final top coat of Girly Cosmetics What a Rush, and it helps to just give it that high gloss shine. So here's the final look of my quick and easy stamping scrollwork nail art look. I just love how simple this is, but yet how pretty it all came together. I think these colors are perfect, especially now that, you know, spring is here, but we don't get to really enjoy the weather as much, so it's always nice to have something pretty on my nails. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my channel, and as always, please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down. If you have any comments and or questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All the products are always listed down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I do upload more videos. And as always, guys, stay glamorous.